Look who's outside. I gave it the slow eating, make it a woody mess. The slow eating dog dish for water this year. It's heavy and it's got some, you know, it'll stay in place a little bit better. She is having a dust bath. Okay, so the latch on this side kind of rusted out, so I put a couple of zip ties top and bottom. You can kind of see it. She's so happy. I brought in a worm when I flipped it over from where it blew, and she's like, oh, I want more of that. She's doing a little dust bath though. She's the happiest little chicken on Staten Island right now. Yep. It's warm out today. You sit in the sun a little bit. Sun, yeah, I can feel it. It's 70 degrees. I took out all the star lilies just now, all the branches, and you can see them popping up already. I gotta rip out the fabric. It's crap. Put some more black mulch down. I'm not gonna put fabric again. I have 2 rolls of it, but I'm gonna save it for the new house. Look at this little nut. She's a nut. She's shaking back and forth like a little kook. She's so happy. I'm glad. But when she ate that worm, she's like, oh. You should have seen her eyes lit up. She's starting to molt a little bit. Look at how she's fluffed up. Comes the Canadian geese. Oh, that was really low. Holy. What the? Telling you, get the shotgun. Anyway. No, I would never. She's so happy. I'm glad, Mama. Look at it. She wants to roll over in it. That's good dirt too, believe it or not. It's got a little bit of sand to it because it blew in. It rolled in from the beach, and they dug it up in my garden. What the? There they are. That's pretty low. You can hear them coming. Yeah, they're probably going over to Midland Beach. They got a little quiet spot there because people are over here at the beach, so they took off. You know, I'm here 41 years, 42 years, something like that. Since 1985. I lived around the corner for a year and a half, so you can add 1980 onto that. So I've been here a long time. We rented an apartment. And then the lady was the principal of one of the schools here. She's like, she started to sell the property, and I'm like, maybe we should buy something. Not that house though. But so we looked around. Well, I looked around. Anyway. Yep. She's just loving this. Oh my God, she's twirling. You the birdies, Luffy? The other birdies? She's got semi-sun and semi-shade with that cover. And I put in case it gets a little windy and a gust kicks up, I put a little bit of weight on it. I think the pollen got into me. I'm going inside. I'm going to go get some root beer. I think you're good. What time is it? I don't even know. 2 o'clock, something like that. So the sun will shift. Everybody's yards back here, they look terrible. Oh my God. My neighbor came out before I said hi to her. I don't think she heard me though, because I was going in with the worm. I closed the door. And so I got a bag of grass. Got the water for the birdies over there. Got a bag of grass, and I want to put this My son bought this for the front deck. I'm like, no, I'm not putting that. I bought something else. I want to put it in here. So this all has to come out. Yeah, this is all got to get worked on. Hang on. That thing's got to get trimmed so that you can have a walkway through there. All this mulch is shot. These weeds have to go. This has got to go. This stupid thing. Yeah, no. I'm gonna leave the fabric. I'm just gonna pull the weeds. Not today. I'm just glad to get roofing out. Are you kidding me? This is. Remember that big tomato plant? It grew like 8 feet tall. Guess what? 1 tomato. I'm like, never again. I was just trying to plant them in there because of the beach rats that we have. But I didn't have too much of a problem with growing the tomatoes last year and the beach rats eating them. Because I picked them right before. You can pick them 50% pink, orange, whatever. So I got to take all of that out. Eek. Not today. I'm not. It's too hot a little bit. It's not hot. It's just I did a lot already so far. It's like one thing after another. Afraid to go upstairs. She is just. Look at her. Look at her. Burp, 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 burp. She's all nestled in. Yeah, that's good dirt, Luffy. It's perfect for your little dust bath. So I couldn't wait to do this, Mama. Look at her. She wants a twirl. She's got her feathers all floofed out. How cute. Alright. I gotta go upstairs and get something to drink. She's just a little fluffing nut. So you see what I did? For now. So I'll get another one. And it rusted. I expected some kind of damages over the winter. But it held together. It's good. I'm happy. So what did I pay for it? I think $50, something like that. I forget. Can't remember anything anymore. You got dirt in your water already, you little bird. Look at those feet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, see you all later, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, one little happy bird here.